Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Nehal. If you're new to my channel, it would be really great if you could just take out 2 seconds of your time and subscribe to my channel below. Oh my god, it has been so long since I've made a video. I've just realized I think I am putting up a video after 4 weeks. I am so sorry for that. But this past month has been a roller coaster ride for me. It has been so hectic, which I'll be letting you know throughout the video. But I just wanted to start the video no matter what. क्योंकि मुझे सच में ऐसा लग रहा था कि अब बहुत टाइम हो गया कि मैंने व्लॉग किया है या मैंने कोई भी वीडियो बनाई है. आई थिंक द लास्ट वीडियो दैट आई हैड मेड वाज माय ट्रिप टू पुष्कर. उसके अलावा शायद मैंने शॉर्ट्स भी नहीं डाले इस महीने इतना. इट हैज बीन सो टैक्सिंग ऑन मी. मैं बताऊंगी बहुत कुछ हुआ इस एक महीने में. एंड इट्स द 28th of June टुडे एंड इट्स अ वीकेंड, सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स प्लान दिस वीकेंड. आज मुझे 2 इवेंट्स अटेंड करने हैं, सो आई एम गोना टेक यू अलोंग विद मी. And yeah, it feels so good to be back and I have missed you guys so much. अभी तो literally मैं बिल्कुल भी तैयार नहीं हुई हूँ. मैं I've just woken up and I'm just heading off somewhere. कुछ थोड़ी बहुत ग्रोसरीज वगैरह लानी है. So you can see मतलब my eyes are still puffed up because I just woke up half an hour back. So yeah, let's see how the weekend is gonna go by. So for the 2 events that I have to attend today, one of it is a restaurant launch, and another one is a very fun event, which I'm assuming is going to be a fun event because it's basically a DIY shoemaking event, and I've just received a cute little hamper from them. I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to open it in front of you guys. So I just want to show you the detailing. This is what I've received, and I'll show you what's inside this. So the name of the place that I'm going to is Bird House, and the detailing is so good. Let me just show it to you. So basically, this is what I've received. Since the name of the place is Bird House, I love the detailing. It is so pretty. And also, this is so thoughtful, as in, it's my name in both the languages. It's just so cool. So we're just gonna open it together. So this is what they've sent across. They've sent across a sole of a shoe, which was supposed to go there and complete because it says craft your own story with a custom pair at a DIY shoe bar. This is so cool and so unique. I don't think I've ever been to an event like this. And I'm so sure it's going to be a lot of fun. This is such a unique experience, I'm sure. And yeah, I'm going to see you there. So I'm all set for the event, and the first event that I'm going to, like I told you, is the launch of a new restaurant. It's basically a soft launch. So they've just invited a few people to come out and try their menu. So we're going for that first, and then we'll be going to the DIY shoemaking workshop. That's going to be a lot of fun. So yeah, I'm going to see you there. I begin to I begin guys, so I'm done with both the events. बहुत अच्छा था, and आपने देख लिया कि मैंने क्या बनाया है. It was so therapeutic. It was so much fun, and I'm sure you love what I made. It's totally minimal. मतलब मुझे minimal चीजें बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. So yeah, I totally loved it. Hi you guys, so it's the next day, it's the 29th of June and कल के events काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे थे and that was pretty much the highlight of the day. Or it's Sunday today, it's I think 1 o'clock right now and I've had a long pending sleep क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत दिनों से ऐसा था कि मुझे अच्छे से सोना है क्योंकि मुझे इतने दिनों से अच्छी नींद ही नसीब नहीं हुई थी and I woke up at around I think 11:30ish I think and I think it was very much needed. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि मैं आपको update दूंगी that what's been happening with me since the past 1 month. Because I think जो last video मैंने डाली थी वो 1 महीने पहले की थी and a lot has actually happened in the past month. To start with, I have launched my own website. I mean, that is a huge deal for me. So, you already know that I run a brand with my husband called Rajasvi. So, this was earlier known by a different name. And तो जो भी उसकी वेबसाइट थी वो भी मैंने बहुत सालों पहले बनाई थी. आई थिंक 4-5 साल पहले बनाई थी. और क्योंकि मैंने उसको इतना मॉडर्नाइज नहीं किया, मैंने उसको इतना अप टू डेट नहीं किया, एंड ऑब्वियसली इट वाज रनिंग विद अ डिफरेंट नेम. So there were a lot of major changes that were to be done to the website. And since the past 2 months, I've been aggressively working on it because मेरा टारगेट था कि मुझे जून के महीने में उसको कैसे ना कैसे करके मुझे लाइव करना ही है बिकॉज आई बीन वर्किंग ऑन इट सो हार्ड. ब्रांड नेम को अपडेट हुए हुए 1 साल हो गया. सो आई कैन नॉट रन द ओल्ड वेबसाइट विद द ओल्ड नेम, सो इट हैड टू बी चेंज टुडे और टुमारो. एंड मैंने एक्चुअली अपने आप को टारगेट तो मई का दिया था पर वो मई में हो नहीं पाया. एंड द वेबसाइट इज finally live. The last 1 month has been so taxing on me. मैंने ना कोई इवेंट अटेंड करे हैं, मैंने ना अच्छे से नींद ली है बिकॉज I wanted to get it done as soon as possible and I have spent so many sleepless nights. अगर मैं इस चीज़ को vlog भी करती हूँ मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपको कुछ फ्रूटफुल नहीं मिलता बिकॉज ऑल माई डेज वर वेरी मोनोटोनस. सारा दिन सेम ही था. आई यूज टू वेक अप, आई यूज टू गो टू वर्क, आई यूज टू कम बैक, आई यूज टू ईट फूड एंड आई यूज टू स्लीप. दिस वॉज माई रूटीन सिंस द पास्ट 1 month, जिसमें से तो काफी दिन ऐसे थे जिसमें मैं सोई नहीं हूँ. So, yeah, I think that has been one of the highlight of the past month. I made a website from scratch. I launched it and it's doing amazingly well, all thanks to you guys. I'm going to link it down in the description box below, so you better go and check it out, and I'm sure you'll love it. And do let me know in the comments how you found the website to be. I would really love to know. And if you have any suggestions, trust me, if you have any suggestions, please come and tell me. You're most welcome because any kind of criticism is just going to help me make it better. So yeah, you're most welcome to drop down your suggestions in the comment below and I would love to take it up. And another reason why I wasn't able to come up on stories, come up on shorts, reels and everything is because मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत गंदी एलर्जी हो गई थी. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी इट और नॉट. ये शायद इतना विजिबल अब नहीं होगा because I worked really hard on it. Last week, I think I had a major allergy only on this part of my face because I am guessing that an insect came and bit it off. I don't know. बारिश का मौसम है. बारिश के मौसम में बहुत ऐसे कीड़े होते हैं. And anyway, my skin is very sensitive. So कुछ भी ऐसा होता है वो redness बहुत जल्दी आ जाती है. But this was pathetic. This was so bad. The first day मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ठीक है कोई मस्कीटो होगा. एंड थोड़ा सा ऐसे दाना सा ही था, ऐसा कुछ ज्यादा मेजर नहीं था. द नेक्स्ट डे माई स्किन स्टार्टेड पीलिंग ऑफ और यू नो जैसे वूंड नहीं हो जाता, it started becoming a wound. फिर इसमें पस आ गई and it was just so painful and so bad. I did nothing. I think मैंने सिर्फ first day दवाई ली होगी because I'm someone who avoids दवाई as much as possible. तो मैं सिर्फ आई थिंक फर्स्ट डे दवाई ली थी बिकॉज इट वॉज जस्ट सो पेनफुल. उसके बाद मैंने सिर्फ एक चीज करी है जो कि हमेशा से मेरी नानी बोलती थी कि कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो उसके ऊपर घी लगाओ and the problem is going to or the wound is going to vanish like this. So that's what I did. मैंने aggressively दिन में 2-3 बार यहाँ पे अच्छे से घी लगाया, सब कुछ किया and I think फ्राइडे को, ये चीज़ मुझे संडे को हुई थी and फ्राइडे को it was all gone. अपने आप पपड़ी बन के वो वूंड अपने आप निकल गया. बट अभी भी थोड़ा सा मार्क है. आई थिंक पीपल हैव सजेस्टेड मी कि इस पे कोकोनट ऑयल लगाओ बट आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट गोना गो विद द घी because that has really helped me heal it. मुझे ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि ये इतनी जल्दी heal होगा. And the one thing that I was actually scared about is that I have a wedding to attend next weekend. And I was so skeptical कि ये चीज़ उस टाइम तक जाएगी कि नहीं जाएगी. But ghee has done its wonders. It's one of the best things my nanny has told me. And फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस लेने के बाद मैं आपको भी यही सजेस्ट करूंगी, आपको कभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो प्लीज उस पर घी लगाओ, aggressively ghee lagao, and it's going to vanish. And how? So yeah, that's another reason why I wasn't able to do anything. And yeah, I am back and it feels so good vlogging. I miss this so much. मैंने बहुत टाइम से रील्स नहीं बनाए हैं, शॉर्ट्स नहीं बनाए हैं, एडिटिंग नहीं करी है बिकॉज आई वाज सो हेल्ड अप. मेरा दिन कब शुरू होता था कब खत्म होता था मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. So yeah, I am very happy. And you're gonna see me back on reels, on shorts, on YouTube. And I think बहुत time बाद बहुत ज़्यादा बोला है किसी भी YouTube वीडियो में. So yeah, it feels great. And if you have any suggestions, I actually have written down a lot of video ideas. I've brainstormed the past 2 days. I'm just brainstorming ideas because now I want to give you guys content that you're going to love, and I'm sure that you're going to love it. But if there's something in specific that you would want to see, I would love to know in the comments. You can also DM me on Instagram and do follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. हाँ तो आपको weekly updates मिलेंगे, but वहाँ आपको daily updates मिलेंगे. So I think you would want to follow me there. And yeah, I think that's it. It's Sunday, so I don't think it's going to be a very eventful day because Sundays are usually very slow for me. Since you know, मतलब अभी 1 बज रहा है, एक अब तो 1:15 हो गया होगा. आधे से ज़्यादा दिन तो निकल ही गया है. So I don't really know. I might just go out for a cup of coffee or I don't know. I'm not really sure what the plan is right now. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.